बहुत लोग मेरे से बोल रहे थे कि यार क्या कर रहा है, क्या नहीं कर रहा है, क्या मतलब तूने एम्बिशंस इतने बड़े-बड़े हैं तेरे, इतने बड़े-बड़े सपने हैं, कैसे करेगा? व्हाट इफ इट डज़न्ट वर्क आउट, है ना? बट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि भाई आई वाज़ वेरी डेस्परेट अबाउट कि नहीं भाई मेरे को करना है, मेरे सपने हैं, आई वांट टू मूव आउट, आई वांट टू डू कंटेंट क्रिएशन, आई वांट अ टीम, है ना? आई वांट लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, आई वांट टू स्टार्ट माय ओन कंपनी। ये सारे सपने लेके मैं लाइक आई वाज़ लिविंग इन अ स्मॉल सिटी, प्रयागराज। भाई मोस्ट ऑफ यू डोंट इवन नो द नेम। आई वाज जस्ट गुड एट वन थिंग, ट्राइंग थिंग्स आउट। तो मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ट्राई करी है। व्हेन आई वाज in sixth grade I started coding programming because I thought that was cool. I used to watch ki Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, everybody started coding, started programming back then, as their first skill. You learned that they built Facebook, and Elon Musk built PayPal, Bill Gates built Microsoft, and they all were interested in coding programming. Then I started programming, then I learned programming. But after a few like months or years, I got bored, and also the craze of programmers and coders started to come down as more and more high technology softwares came in. Then I started reading books because Bill Gates said he reads like 50 100 books a year. So I thought, okay, maybe that's a differentiating factor between someone very rich and someone very poor. So I started reading books, and then I started photography and videography as a passion. I like to click photos, and with my Android smartphone. So back in when I was eighth grade, I started photography, started learning about composition, lighting, frames, and slowly started videography. And I also started gaming because back then YouTube and gaming channel was in boom. But all of these things didn't work out. Then I did like trading for a few months in my summer vacation of class 11. I lost 10 20,000 of my savings, and it was all which I had in the name of savings back then. So I remember after losing that, I was very skeptical that would I be even able to achieve all these big dreams of mine? Will these things even ever work out? So I was very depressed because obviously भाई एक 16 साल का लड़का जिसके पास 10,000 20,000 रुपए है, उसने बहुत मुश्किल से सेव किए हैं 3 4 साल, लाइक 3 4 साल नहीं बट लाइक 3 to 6 months 5 6 months में उसने ऐसा सेव किया है ना, साल भर से सेव किया है। बट वो सब होने के बाद फिर उसकी सारी सेविंग्स चले जाए एक बार में, इट वॉज वेरी डिप्रेसिंग। बट एट द सेम टाइम द डिजायर ऑफ मी अचीविंग माई ड्रीम्स ऑल्सो बिकेम हाई बिकॉज नाउ दैट आई हैड सो मेनी फेलियर्स, आई वांटेड टू प्रूव टू पीपल एंड टू माई सेल्फ दैट आई एम नॉट अ लूजर, आई एम नॉट अ फेलियर. I want to do things and I have dreams and I will achieve them. After so many failures, people also say कि अरे करता तो है लेकिन कुछ होता थोड़ी है, वैसे करते रहते हो, ऐसा चीज है. But at the same time, I had very much self doubt. Even today, I have self doubts कि will these things ever work out? But I'm a much better place than where I was a month ago, than where I was an year ago, or 2 years ago, or maybe 5 years ago. My childhood self wouldn't believe कि भाई I moved out of my city alone, है ना, with a few of my team members, and I have my own flat, I have my own apartment, and I have my own studio, I have my all these good cameras, lighting setup, and MacBooks, everything. My childhood self never dreamed of it. I thought, okay, जब मैं 20 25 साल का हो जाऊंगा, then I will purchase my first MacBook or something. But as time passed by, and I never quit. The main thing is I never quit. I tried shit, I failed, and then I stood up, and I tried again, then I stood up and tried again, I failed again, then I stood up and tried again. And somewhere between that, I learned so many things, and of all these things which I've tried, सारी चीजें मैं लगा के अभी जो करता हूँ उसमें लगाता हूँ. बीट अ क्लोथिंग ब्रांड, आई इवन स्टार्टेड अ क्लोथिंग ब्रांड. सो जितना मैंने कोडिंग या प्रोग्रामिंग का लैंग्वेज था उसको मिला के मैंने शॉपिफाई पे कुछ वेबसाइट्स बनाई, कस्टमाइजेशंस की. फिर ग्राफिक डिजाइन मेरे को सीखना पड़ा जस्ट टू जस्ट फॉर माई क्लोथिंग ब्रांड. आई हैड गुड स्किल्स इन फोटोग्राफी एंड वीडियोग्राफी, so I used that, but even though the clothing brand also failed, but yeah, I learned so many things from that. Then graphic design, video editing, photography, videography, cinematography, and reading books, and programming, and website development, and all these things. I use that in my media company now. I run a social media marketing agency, and I use all that knowledge of all these things, all the knowledge of video production, content creation, graphic design, website development, and I make things and I use all that information. So कभी भी वो चीज़ें खराब नहीं जाती जो आप सीख रहे हो, या जो आपने ट्राई किया और आपको लग रहा है फेल हो गया, you got zero results. But the real thing is you need to believe in the long vision. You need to believe in the long term vision. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can always connect the dots looking backwards. So yeah, just try differentiate out and just believe in yourself and have dreams and ambitions and have the courage to follow your dreams and ambition, because it all works out in the end.